what is our P? P is the vertical asymptote, which is 4. No stories, then let's substitute to get A. So our f of x is going to be A over x minus 4 plus a 2. Then we're going to use the point 5 and 3, because that's where the graph is passing to find the value of A. So that's going to be, this is x, that's y. So 3 is equal to A over our x is a 5 minus 4 plus 2. You know that 5 minus 4 is a 1. So 3 is equal to A plus 2, move the this one. Therefore, our f of x is just going to be 1 over x minus 4 plus a 2. All right, then 5.2. If the graph is reflected across the line of y is equal to negative x plus c, and then we have a new graph that coincides with a graph of y is equal to f of x, they want us to get the value of c. Okay. Negative x plus c. What is the value of c? So what the question is indirectly asking us for is for the axis of symmetry. But the axis of symmetry that is having the negative gradient, since the gradient is negative 1. So we know that axis of symmetry is normally given as x plus c or negative x plus c. And we normally use the intersection of the asymptotes. This is 4, that is a 2. Substitute that, get your c. So where there is y, I'll put a 2, and that is negative 4 plus c. Move the 4 that side, c becomes 2 plus 4, and then that becomes a 6. So indirectly, they wanted you to find the axis of symmetry. All right. 6.1. This is calculus. Okay. What do they want us to do? Given 3x minus x squared, use the definition from past principles to derivate this. Okay. So 3x, just 3x minus x squared. So let's fix it. Okay. So guys, this is our f of x. No? We need to create what we call the f of x plus h. So where there is x, replace with all of that. So that is 3 into x plus h minus x plus h squared. And then we go on and substitute into the formula. We know that f prime of x is given as the limit as h tends to 0 for f of x plus h minus f of x. And then I'll divide by h. This implies that the limit as h tends to 0, let's substitute. And I replace that, that is 3 into x plus h minus x plus h squared minus the whole of f. I'll put them in brackets just for the sign. Okay. And then, is that too big? It's just fine. It's just fine. So the limit as h tends to 0, we shall have open the brackets, so 3x, let's do this, plus 3h. So I'm opening this bracket. And then this is going to be negative. Remember when I open x plus h squared, this gives me x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. So let me just, okay, it's fine. I'll allow an extra step. X squared plus 2xh plus h squared. Open this up. Minus 3x plus h squared over h. So we're saying limit as h tends to 0. That's 3x, 3h. I'll open this, minus x squared minus 2xh minus h squared minus 3x plus x squared over h. So at this level, some things must cancel. So this cancels that, this cancels that. I'm only left with 3h, negative 2xh, and then that. I have to factorize. So limit as h tends to 0, h becomes 3 minus 2x minus h over h. So this will cancel. But we know that the limit as h tends to 0, everything will reduce. Have 3 minus 2x minus h. So h is a 0. So which means we shall have 3 minus 2x. So that becomes our answer, our first derivative. All right. Then 6.2. 6.2. 6.2, they're telling us to find dy dx. So dy dx is more like the derivative. So in cases like this, first eliminate or first separate. So that's going to be x over x squared minus 3. We know that square root is the same as exponent a half. I'm still separating x squared. Remember, from our addition and subtraction of fractions, if the denominator is the same, then you can add or subtract the top part. So I'm still simplifying. This and that is going to give me x to the negative.